Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to take a section of your form, maybe the whole form, maybe a section like wave hands like clouds, or grass sparrow's tail, something like that, and work on that section quite a bit faster than you ordinarily practice your form. Now, we might guess that if you speed it up, at least markedly sped up, you're going to lose touch with some of the principles, right? Maybe many of the principles, maybe some of the principles or all the principles to some extent, but not entirely losing touch with them. So the way, I mean the principles of Tai Chi Chuan, not the principles of health and physics, right? So those stay in the forefront regardless. But the idea with this is for us to practice speedy, but with a focus on one principle. And then as I practice that section faster, certainly than I ordinarily would, I'm focused on one principle. And if I lose that principle entirely or enough that I consider myself to have failed that practice, then I'm going to repeat or start over, right? And the idea is that I'm recognizing that it's going to be hard to carry well all of the principles of Tai Chi Chuan, not the principles of health and physics, through a faster practice. But I'd like to be able to try and keep a particular one that I know I'm consciously focused on well within my capabilities and expressions. And then if I can manage that, then I can put that principle down and pick up a different principle and work on that when I go fast, so that I ultimately become familiar with each of the principles of Tai Chi Chuan when I'm going at a faster pace, such as we might see in a self-defense scenario. And so they're not lost to me. They're something that I can access when things are going fast. So um, speaking of things going fast, um, act now. Bring a friend to your class. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.